So we're playing Roblox. I'm going to play this one game of mine. My name's Cool Kid Chill. Follow me and yeah, play this game. Hope you guys enjoy and watch to the end. Guys, I'm back. This thing is still not that. No, wait. Let me exit. I just it. I'm going to my YouTube account, so I just put it like that for now. I don't know why by mistake. No, I didn't do it though. My brother pranked me into it. So, I need to change it back to my normal after this video. Okay, now I'm in the game. And I need to change my game and change the name. The name kept staying. Try to change it this time. Okay. See, I'm gonna add, no one else is in. Unless I add me you. Wait, let me go look at that. Let me see if my friend's still admin. Yeah, this kid right here is the admin. I admin him today and I put him in the admins. So, I'm doing creative. My game's just going up. Now I'm doing here. Chair. We do chair me 332 35 650. Tell me this. I'm gonna spell his name now. Now, so guys, like my game, it's pretty good. Well, I don't know. I kind of need to fix this here. Oh, and I need to speed. I'm 55. That's not that fast. That's the cafeteria. Upstairs, this is the high school. And you have the library, and you have another library, kinda. And let's do this. Oh, I'm gonna be updating this game and after this video and changing my background. Will this work? Oh, yes it does. One of these guys, these are my eyes this piece. They're invisible. So I sit around the spawn point with like a voodoo god, me, so I don't die. And now I do. That thing really did not guide me, okay? Let me see what this works. Oh, I have one of these guitars. But I gotta do this. I always do music. Yeah, I can't kind of reach up there, so I'm. Do we have a new? Did I make a new? Oh, river for you. They have the sweet coil thingy, majiggy. And then that's a shotgun. And then I don't know all these. Ninja, they have the ninja rings, which I like them. Oh, I can't join them by mistake. They have my favorite, yes, the demon sword. And these thingies. I don't know what they should have my whole inventory. I think they should. Oh, dang it. The rest are. Not a big. What? Be back, guys. Moving on. So back, guys. Okay, why do people actually need this? And then they'll be like, oh, wait, did I? Fine. Oh yeah, my friend made this book. I don't know, it was not people. Oh yeah, my friend literally just made that book.
Bitch, I say get or not?
Back.
Follow me on Curly Hoodie.
Follow. Oh yeah, I'm back. Oh, dang it. Yeah, you better go check out this game. I'll give you free admin and all that. Yes. And you better follow me or not. Don't subscribe. I mean, yeah. Or else you're gonna get punched in your face, okay? So, go subscribe. And bye.